One very popular modification to any vehicle is adjusting ride height. Whether you've got a full-size truck you want to lift way up on some 40s, or you've got a truck like this that's been lowered to improve handling, or hey, maybe you've got a drag truck that you've stuffed some huge slicks under the back of it. Either way, altering suspension is a great way to customize a car or truck to your taste. Now, oftentimes the front or rear will be lifted or lowered different heights depending on what you're doing. Like this truck has been lowered 3 inches in the front and 5 in the rear. So once you've got your suspension taken care of, you've got your alignment out of the way, you're good to go, right? Well, not so fast. There may be one very important thing you're forgetting about. And that's the headlights. Now, in order for headlights to meet DOT requirements, they have to be aimed in the proper direction, both side to side and up and down. So if you've modified your suspension, there's a good chance the headlights aren't aimed properly. That could blind oncoming drivers if they're aimed too high, but if they're too low, that can hurt your visibility at night. Now, headlights aren't something you typically think of when you're doing suspension work, but this is very important for your safety. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to check and adjust your headlights. First, we'll pull the truck up to a wall and we need to make some reference marks. We want to first make a horizontal mark at the same height as the center of each headlight. Ours are now 26 inches from the ground. So we'll make a tape line that high off the ground on the wall. Next, we need to make a vertical mark at the center of each light. Ours are 62 inches apart. So we'll make a vertical line on the wall at the center of each headlight. Next, we'll back the truck up perfectly straight so the lights are exactly 25 feet from the wall. So we'll kill the shop lights and see how ours line up. What we're shooting for is to have each beam pointed at the targets, but the hot spot should be a couple inches below the mark. Yeah, I'd say they're a little bit off, but we expected that since we just did a little altering to our suspension. You can see the driver's light is way too low. That's definitely going to hurt vision at night. Passenger side's not that bad. It's just set over to the right a little bit, so make a few adjustments. Now, on an old truck like this, in most vehicles, you have two adjustments. You have one up top, and that's your vertical. We're going to screw it in to make the headlight go up. And over on the side, you have your side-to-side adjustment. We'll screw it in, make it move to the left, or you can turn it out, make it go to the right. So now you know, that's how easy it is to adjust your headlights.